Hello and welcome to the Holiday Inn in Port of Miami, of course in Miami, Florida. This is a tour of a Bayside King room, room number 1002. We're going to start here at the door, do a quick 180. Of course we got your fire map, safety details and all that, the peephole. And in the security department we got your, of course, latches. Those taken care of there. Right inside the door you got your light to the room, which is of course up there. And right here, hello. Move the mirror. And we have your closet. Inside the closet, as you can see, full of hangers, some storage space, luggage rack down below. Iron and ironing board. And on this side, you have a safe. Easily big enough to hold a laptop. Alright, close this up. And this closet does open on both ends. So, got a mirror here. And then of course a mirror over here. There you go. Behind me we have the bathroom. Plenty of counter space. Your typical IHG amenities here. The light and fan are actually on two separate switches here, which is always nice. Pretty big size mirror. Little tissue spot over here. Now there is no towel rack over here by the sink, so for a hand towel you're just going to have to kind of improvise. I've got mine just kind of folded here on the counter. The rack is actually located over here. And then of course the throne is down here. And a bathtub. Now I'm going to move the door here. The door kind of opens, covering up the rest of the room. So we're going to close it up a little bit here. Of course, we got a little towel rack above the door. Some more towels over here. And we got the tub. Great shower pressure, and everything is very clean. Curved shower rod. Okay, we'll come back out here into the room. Pretty decent sized room. As we walk into the left, have a desk with of course a lamp and a Keurig. That comes with a variety of coffee blends and tea. So you're taken care of in the coffee and tea department if that is your thing. Pretty decent sized desk. Inside the desk drawer here is some hotel information. This is a full service Holiday Inn, so they do give you restaurant menus for both breakfast and then of course lunch and dinner. Everything seems pretty average priced for this type of hotel restaurant. And then you also have a little guidebook here, just some reading material. Nice little office chair. And then as you can see here is kind of the layout of the room, the size here. You got the bed in the center, and then you got quite a bit of space over here. Little dresser, the alarm clock. You have plenty of space next to the bed if you want to move the chair back to watch TV at a comfortable angle. Of course, another big mirror here. We do have the thermostat over here for the air conditioning. Right now it is at 72. And of course over here, got the TV, ice bucket and cups, and some drawers. And then of course a microwave. You got 3 drawers down here. Oh, there's another book here. So, some more reading materials. And behind door number 1, here we have our mini fridge. And it looks like, as usual, nobody left it stocked for me. Darn. That's alright, I'm only here for one night. And here with the TV, we have a clean remote. And some artwork up on the wall. We got a little sitting area here. You got two tables, one on this side of the couch, one on the other. And then of course got a decent sized couch here that I'm utilizing as backpack storage. Since this is a Bayside room, it does come with a view. You can see the cruise ships from this room. So if you are staying here for a cruise and you want to see your ship in the morning, it is a possibility. As we approach the bed, we have a little nightstand with another lamp and your phone, as well as a notepad and pen. Then of course a king size bed. But yeah, this has been a look at the Holiday Inn, Port of Miami, a Bayside king room. If you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. And hey, ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my adventures. Until next time, this is Matt, signing off. Have a good one.